Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dola AI image generation when it's not working. A full guide for 2026. If your images aren't generating, getting stuck, or failing, these steps should help. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dola AI needs a strong connection to generate images. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Next, restart the browser or the Dola AI app. Temporary glitches can prevent image generation, and a quick restart often fixes it. Then clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can cause errors. Go to browser settings, clear cache, reload Dola AI, and try generating images again. Browser extensions or VPNs can sometimes interfere with image generation. Disable ad blockers, security add-ons, or VPNs temporarily and test again. Finally, if it still doesn't work, try a different browser or device. Switching from Chrome to Edge or using another PC can isolate whether the issue is local or account-specific, and that's it. These steps usually fix Dola AI image generation problems. If it's still not working, contact support. They can help with account-specific issues. Thanks for watching.